are you supposed to find and share content that checks all of your content requirement boxes, but also doesn't check the wrong boxes without having to scour every word in every article you might want to share? Bethany here with UpContent to show you one of our most dynamic features, content policies. Content policies automatically check the entirety of the content that's sourced or fed into UpContent to match the guidelines you set up, so no more manually scanning articles for red flags like competitors, certain keywords that are no-goes, or anything you don't want mentioned in the content you're sharing. You can automatically exclude and organize curated content to align with your brand values and compliance requirements. This feature was created to help address some of the challenges our customers often found themselves facing when reading through some excellent curated content that matched most of their criteria, but 3, 4, 5 paragraphs in, they realized the article was written by a competitor or has a word or phrase that they don't want their team sharing. That's the purpose of content policies. There are 3 components that support content policies: classifiers, rules, and policies. A great way to think about these is rules make up a classifier, and one or more classifiers can be used to create a policy. That policy can then be applied universally across all of your collections, or you can create different policies for each of your collections. You can create rules, classifiers, and policies to make sure that you can address any compliance needs. In most cases, you'll use the all text option to ensure that the entirety of an article is reviewed, and then you'll see different options for your different operations. If you're excluding a competitor, you can just type in the competitor here. You can continue to add to that list. You can always remove rules and then save that classifier. From here, you'll move into policies, where you can create a new policy, and you'll see your classifiers are available. This is what allows you to add one or more classifiers to a policy. Finally, head to your collection to activate the policy. From this point forward, any new article that's fed into this collection, whether manually added, through an RSS feed, another collection, or topic, will only present itself inside of the collection if it matches the requirements of your content policy. This will allow you to continue to curate with confidence, narrowing the number of articles for any manual review that's required, but also ensuring that you can curate with confidence using automated approval processes. If you have any questions on how content policies can address your unique workflow, please reach out to one of our content curation experts with those questions, or set up some time for a quick conversation on the form below. Cheers!